Why is the SIM showing unusable SIM? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how and why your SIM is showing the unusable SIM. So if you have no SIM or unusable SIM up on your very screen, then there is an error that can cause by various reasons such as faulty SIM card, improper SIM card insertion, software glitches or compatibility issues. So to check your SIM card, what you can simply do first of all is the very first step is to go on the setting option, go to your SIM manager option and check your SIM from there. Again, go to the SIM and see if your SIM insertion is good or not. But if it is good and working, then it's okay. And if it is not working, then just go back and you can go on SIM card security. After going on the SIM card security, check all the security options right here if you have done something wrong here. View the security certificates. This is not used for us, so sometimes you might have forgotten your pin or passcode for the SIM and it might be locked, so it is not used. So you can simply just disable it and you can use your SIM card. So if this is not your problem and there is some other problem on your SIM card and you don't want, and if you have locked, then you can simply unlock it. So if the locking is also not the problem on your SIM card, then I would suggest you to go back and then take your SIM card out of your phone by just very easy process. And after you take out your SIM card, insert it very carefully and see if it works or not. But if it is showing some problem again, then you can simply call the SIM card from where you actually bought it and also take a suggestion from there. But if it does not work, then I would suggest you to take some other SIM card and use it. So that's how we can solve your problem pretty easily. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.